Is your Audi A3 key fob not unlocking your car? The most common culprits are a dead battery or a lost connection with your car's system. First, replace the CR2032 battery in your fob. Open the fob carefully with a small screwdriver, swap the battery, and ensure correct polarity. If that doesn't work, your fob might need resynchronizing. Try this. Insert the key into the ignition, turn to the accessories position, 2, and within 30 seconds, press the unlock button on your key fob. For newer models with digital key integration, check the Audi Connect app for software updates or glitches, especially after recent updates. Remember, extreme temperatures can also impact battery life, so keep that in mind during troubleshooting. If these steps don't solve the problem, it might be a more complex issue requiring professional help. If your Audi A3 key fob still isn't unlocking the doors after addressing the battery and synchronization, the problem might lie with the door lock actuators or wiring. Check the fuses under the dashboard related to the door locks. If the fuses are fine, the door lock actuator itself might be faulty. Symptoms include doors that lock but won't unlock, or vice versa. While lubricating the lock mechanisms with silicone spray can sometimes help, actuator replacement is often necessary, which is a more involved repair. Also, consider environmental factors. In regions with cold winters, there can be an increase in related complaints. If you're uncomfortable working with car electronics or suspect a deeper issue, it's best to consult a qualified mechanic or Audi dealership. They can diagnose the problem accurately and perform any necessary repairs, including recoding or addressing potential firmware bugs identified in service bulletins. Keep in mind that incorrect repairs can potentially void warranties.